Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to embed Instagram hashtag feed into your website using with Sociable Kit, and we're going to embed it in the website builder WordPress. So without further ado, we're going straight to the video. So first things first, we are going to use this Instagram hashtag. So it's about moon. So it's fairly simple, and everything that has hashtag moon posts will always display in the Sociable Kit. So first, we're going to the official website of the sociablekit.com, and this is the homepage. So first things first, if you guys haven't created any account yet, you can always sign up here, register here, and by clicking this button and this button. So it's free, guys. You can always sign up, and in our case, I already have an account. So if you guys have already created an account, you will click this login button, which we will do. And now we are in this page. So automatically it brings me here. So to go to the creation of widget page, we are going to click in the top right corner of our screen this create widget. So if you click here, it will redirect us to the creation of widget. So here it is. And now in this drop down list, we are going to search or find the Instagram hashtag feed. So here it is. I'm going to click it, and now it prompts us that we should put the Instagram tag in this text box. So in our case, we are going to use the hashtag moon. So it says here that enter the Instagram tag without the hashtag. So make sure that you don't put any hashtag on it. So we're just gonna type moon, and we're gonna click next. And here says that no post was found. So sometimes it just loads like a few minutes, and it will load up. For now, it's just syncing up the information, the data. It's looking through the Instagram that if there is a hashtag, that hashtag. So here it is. It already loaded. So as you can see, guys, there is actually a post about the moon. So you guys just have to wait and see. So here it is. Every post that has a hashtag moon. So now going to the left side of our screen is the customization and the moderation tab. So first thing first, we're going to through this one by one. So first, the basic tab, which is in the name. You can always put the name of your widget. So if you want to come back to this later, you will know what type of widget is this. So for example, you want to type hashtag feed. And now in our domain, we can always change the name of our website. So for example, hashtag WordPress. And that's it. I'm going to save changes. And now going to the themes tab. In here, there are many selections of color themes. So here is the color theme, and if you click one of them, it will display what color combination it uses. So you guys can select here what color theme fits the best to your website or to the hashtag. So for me, I want this Maliwalas, which is the default, so it will change nothing. And here it is still the same. So if we check the Maamo theme, it should change. So I'm just saving it so you guys can see that it actually changed. So here it is, everything changes. And now going to the posts, in the layout, you can select if you want to grid, masonry, or carousel. So for me, I want it to be grid. In the post item, I want it to be tile. In the spaces between, let's say I want it to be 8. And the default post count, I want it to be only 5. The column count, I think 3 is good. Show the hashtag. I think everything is how I want it. So I'm going to say changes, and we're going to see if it changes. And as you can see here, it it the spaces between the post is 8, and by clicking this load more, because the spaces was 8, it is too big to load. So if we put it back to 5, it should display all. Oh, I think I put it to 1. We're going to change it back to 5. That was my fault. Here it is. So everything is fine. So I want it to be only 5 posts. So everything is good. Now to the moderation. You can just select if you want to approve the posts. In the colors tab, if you guys haven't find any color theme in the themes tab, so if you guys didn't like any of this, you can always manually change everything. So the background color, the font color, the link color, the link hover, that's it. So if you guys haven't found the things you want, you can always manually change it here. Now in the pop-up tab, you can always change the color of the pop-up if you guys want. And next, in the fonts tab, you can change the font family. So for example, I want it to be Alan, and it should be look like this. So if I save changes, it should change the font. So see, look, the hashtag moon is changed. And next, in the buttons tab, you can always change the color of this button. So for example, not only this button, but all the buttons that is included in this widget. So for example, I want it to be this color. So if I save changes, it should change to that color. And here it is, it changed. So that's it. I want it is exactly how I wanted it. So now we're going to embed it to the WordPress. So in the top right of our screen, we're going to click this embed on website button. And in here, we are going to select what website builder we are going to use. So in our case, we're going to use the WordPress. So if you guys didn't find your website builder here, you can search it here. So I'm going to type WordPress. So here it is. I'm going to click it, and it will prompt a step-by-step instruction on how to embed this hashtag feed. So we're going to follow this. So first things first, we are going to copy this JavaScript code. And now, we already copied it. We are going to the WordPress. So in the dashboard, we're going to select the pages and the add new page. And in here, in the title, so for example, I want it to be, for example, my company is Moon Social Photos. That's it. I want it to be like that. So next, by clicking this plus button, we are going to click this custom HTML. So it is, sometimes the custom HTML it will not show here, will not display itself here. So you guys have to search it in the search bar. So custom HTML. So here it is. I'm going to click it, and here we're going to paste the embedded code. And just so you guys know that you guys can customize this code on your own. If you have your Visual Studio, you guys can customize it however you want. And that is all. Actually, all we have to do now is just publish this. So now we're going to click publish, and says here that it is published, and we're going to view the page, and it should display. Here it is. It displayed the hashtag feed how I wanted it. So everything is in here. Everything is the same from the customization that I use. The font of the hashtag, the number of the posts, the color of the background, and the color of the button. So if you click here, it should load by 5. So 5 and another 5. So that is all, guys. If you guys learned something and want to learn more, always check our channel. We have many different kinds of tutorials of different widgets or in different website builders. And if you guys have suggestions, questions, opinions, or if you guys want to verify something, you guys can always comment down below. And you can always go to our support in our, always chat with our support in the official website. So if you guys are convinced to use Sociable Kit, our services and our product, you can go to the official website and you can subscribe to one of our subscription plan in this pricing. So here, and as you can see here, we have the free plan, the starter kit plan, and the business kit plan. So everything, all the information is in here. You can guys check it out. And that is all, guys. Thank you. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.